Hello, Markham Landscape Products. I spoke with Colton yesterday and told me to send this screencast. My name is Naso Georgalis and I work with Epilysis Solutions in Charlotte. And as you might understand, we are a marketing agency. As I told Colton over the phone, we are working with landscaping material companies all over the country, and I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website. I figured I'd give you guys this quick little video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online, and I'll show you some of the things that I can see that's working well for you and your competition. So I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can grow your business and help bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. You can just take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking from you is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. The 3 different topics I'm going to cover today with you is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. And content in our front page should be typically around 1500 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. So the first tip that I want to give you guys is that you have to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that's unique on your front page, so that the search engines can help your company rank as high as possible. Unfortunately, content is something that web designers overlook, and as I said earlier, a website is not an Instagram page, and a website needs nice and unique content that includes keywords to rank higher. The second thing that I want to go over with you guys is citations. And if I do here in Google a search basically about landscaping materials in Charlotte, the first thing that you are going to see with most of this type of searches is going to be ads right here at the top, with those businesses that are paying Google to be at the top of the search results. Now you have to know that this may or may not work out, because some people have ad blockers, and if they have ad blockers, of course they are not going to be able to see these. And then there's also a large group of people out there that simply don't click on ads because they either had a bad experience with ads in the past, or they want to see those people that other factors have contributed for them being at the top of Google search results, like reviews, good page content, optimized websites, etc. So businesses that rely mainly on ads are missing a huge part of the market. And so let's go to page 1, where following a search query you will find first the map section. And in order for you to get in there, this has to do a lot with citations. You are in number 2 of this, so you're obviously doing a good job, but we want to know what are citations and how do we get them, right? Well, a citation is essentially your business name, address and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. And a good way to describe what a directory is, for example, Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp, or any of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. So what would be tip number 2 is that just with citations, in order for us to beat out your competition, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, and then you want to try to get in those same directories, because if it works for them, it's going to work for you. However, you don't want to just stop there. In order for you to really beat out your competition, you will need to make sure that you're doing what they're doing, and then adding a little bit more. And so that's kind of what matters most as how to rank your company here in the maps. Basically, we are moving now to the third thing that I want to go over with you, and which is backlinks. Backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps. And basically what a backlink is, just a website that is sending a link back to your page. And so that could be a local news company that did a story on you, and then they link the story back to your website to give the readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly book services with you. So by using a tool that we have here called Ahrefs, for which as an agency we pay more than $800 a month to have it, we get a good idea of what's what's working with you guys. It's not 100% accurate, but this tool basically shows that you guys have 126 referring domains and 854 backlinks. And if we click here, it shows us all the different websites that are currently linking to you guys. And a lot of these is going to be business directories like Yellow Pages, and if we move further down, they're going to be more directories and more directories, because as we said earlier, you're ranked second in the map, so you're obviously doing a good job on that, although there is always room for improvement. So we can go back here. So in order to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition is in, and then getting into some places that they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. And just like the citations with the backlinks, you want to make sure that you are in more places. But as we said, that's giving you 895 keywords that we can see is bringing you approximately 405 people on average to your website each month. Now, like I said, this isn't 100% accurate, but it does give us an idea of what's working for you. So currently, the most accurate and up-to-date information is going to come directly from your Google Analytics, if you have that set up correctly. But what I can tell you from here is that I get an idea of where your traffic is coming from. And if we take a look at some of your competition, we can see this guy is outranking you in terms of backlinks, and you are doing better in referring domains. And when it comes to organic keywords, you are almost the same, but he beats you in his organic traffic, 542 to 405, which is a quite big difference if we wanna go and look what he's doing. So this is Atlantic Landscape, and if we go to Lanier Materials, we have them. They don't have in any way the number of backlinks that you have, or the referring domains, but they're doing really good. They have almost 331, and you have about 100 more people looking at your website a month. And what we can do basically, if we want to do even better, we can just go and see what the organic keywords they are ranking for well, and try to see to incorporate those in our in the keywords that we are ranking, and so we can outrank them. That requires us to be constantly following the competition and do the necessary work, SEO work that needs to be done in order for you to stay up where you should be. You obviously, as I said earlier, you're doing a good job. That's why you are very high in the rankings. But as I said, there is always room for improvement. And there are things that can be done, like for instance, Pinterest page. You are in the kind of business where people are looking for ideas, how to do things in their yards, and they're looking at Pinterest. Pinterest is a great tool that, if we look at it together with YouTube, it can substantially increase traffic to our website. So, as I said, guys, I hope this information has been valuable for you. And if you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can help grow your business and bring you guys some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you. And if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you for your time, and you guys have a great month. Thank you. Bye-bye.